Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Kid Zen. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Zentang gang, the whole Zentang family. I really appreciate everyone taking the time out to subscribe, comment, share, like my videos. I really appreciate that. More subscribers I get, the more views I get, gives me more confidence. I'm gonna stop doing this. I'm gonna stop this. It really gives me more confidence to post more videos. Right now I'm in some bush, see me? I'm about to go out to like cut my hair because we got school tomorrow. Anyway, not really sure what this vlog's gonna be about. Mostly all I'm just gonna do is probably go to Mandeville, probably go ask some questions because no, like them one scandal bag and things, so probably may just go ask some people like what them think about that, how did that affect them, what them I go do now, some stuff, or probably just do some random weird stuff on the road. So I could go out, link some of my nigga them, and just probably get high. Nah, no high today. I got school tomorrow. So to do that, I'm gonna go look. Let me look again. I'm gonna look at car. We got Mandeville right now, so I can go get to do all of this stuff. Oh, the other thing is I try to start post video more often now because I realize that people are getting a little bit more interested and people are getting impatient because I don't post video as often as I should be. Try to fix that. Yeah, mostly post. Probably I'll get just like 2 videos a week cause like my school and thing and like, you see me? So yeah. So let's continue to the rest of the vlog. Yo, people, you see me? Alright, wow. So finally reach a Mandeville now. I'm gonna test and see the routes if nobody want, you see me? Thing and thing. But go for the can't get. And just see me and no man can. So anyway, freak that. Not talk about that. Reach a Mandeville now. She might have this. So look at you that you go by so. Yeah, kind of. That's what's up. But anyway, yeah, she might have this. It's in the dark of ask some people about some scandal about the game. See me? Scandal. That scandal they wanna. Anyway, this is me ask for some scandal back. So how that about some people if they like you and think see how they don't want to know so that scandal back. If you never have a scandal back, you right. So anyway, ask some people how that affect them. How that affect them. How that affect them and things and just so them go in the road and things, so yeah. So yeah guys, this happened right now. Police come raid on the whole of the so if nobody know the place is, the whole of the raid. If you see right out here so, one man a well the place but you don't realize you have to catch a fire, but I don't say nothing. Till the whole of the burn down. Yeah, wicked like that. So anyway, make man go and do anything. I just kind of look at idiot boring time lapse out of this. Alright, one little boy. So then people are out there a big zinc and thing, you see me? So like I go here for big zinc and iron and help people below us to look a shed. So police go move in a couple minutes or days and see me thing, you see me? Run and look at the disgusting. A man gone over there about piss here now. Grass, man. Yeah? Oh wait, I've done this some forget. So anyway, up here so. I come and say that smoke start catch a fire now. I just wait for the whole up here for burn down, you see me? Yeah. Just I go wait. Just I go wait, man. Man, I try start the next fire over here, so like, man, out to burn down the place before them buy. Jamaica. It only happens here. As we see, the experted fat man is trying to figure out how he's going to out the fire right here. And as we look and wait for the fat man to make a move, we have not seen a move yet. As we wait and wait, it does not seem that he's concerned about the fire that's about to burn down the whole place. Yes, and we wait. As we see some unsafe construction work, he has no helmet or protective gear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh shit, he almost died. Oh shit. Now as you see... Yo, the man don't want to fly go up the dog because you man start to go to wing them dog. Alright, yo. World star. As he thinks and ponder how he's going to hurt the fire. So look and wait. My nigga not really look concerned. Yo, the man have a mental issue, dog. The man not going to fire around. Just get some gas oil and just fling you over the whole over your bundle. Oh, the fire now, brother. Yo, if this shit jump in the head, me have to catch this now, brother. And make sure. So yes, guys, I made the vlog here extremely long. The vlog here will probably last about 30 minutes. Alright guys, I'm about to help this nigga. Yo, go catch that. Alright dog. Alright guys, we're gonna save the world. Save the world, dog. Avenger dog. Sorry guys, banana use, isn't it? But we're Avengers. We're gonna save the world, man. Yo, come on, Rami. Come now, my youth. Alright, go for that now, dog. Go on, dog. Go on. Alright, dog, go do that, dog. We'll go for some water and just try to do that. Alright guys, it's not a lot, but I need one smaller buckle. But anyway guys, we're looking, you know, what is this man up to? We wonder. We wonder. Yo, let me get nervous and I hear this I can never get some nail polish remover put in there. No. Brother, you could have burned on it. Yo, the man fling that shit. But alright, I guess it kinda work. No? That work? Not work. Hold on, I'm zooming for this. Yeah, go for water next time. We'll go for water next time. Brother, I had it. Come in. Come in, man. Alright guys, that's enough footage. We just helped save the world. Avengers and shit, you know. Yeah, so just zoom out now. Yeah. So anyway guys, that's what happened. Got some good footage. Help save the world. Hold on there, fire that S.C.L.S. Kinda saved the world. Never work out so good. Can just well, no call situation is still. Can just vote for me to go over here to be the next Avenger. You vote for him. Yeah, guys, vote for my nigga. You're going in a new Avengers movie, brother. You're going in the next Avengers movie, dog. Then just text me, dog. My vote feel like crazy, dog. I swear everything says you're going to anyway, back when I go home, I have to go. Things happen, and just, that's all the footage that I get. Never get to go everywhere, you want the boy. Anyway, so you go. So then, I guess yes. Anyway, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Sorry if the video could be longer, so you go next time. Bye. Push. So you go.
And now, y'all will be directed to this video.